The low-profile horse barn by Horizon Structures. This single-story barn is perfect for those that don't need a loft or simply prefer having everything on one floor. Best of all, it's the most affordable center aisle barn we offer. Finished in either Dora Temp exterior siding or white pine board and batten, this single-story barn has a great look. Sliding aisle doors on both gable ends allow easy access. These doors utilize a galvanized track and nylon rollers for smooth, easy operation. One of our most popular options is adding tempered glass in the aisle doors for a great look and for increased natural light in the barn. Inside, you'll find this center aisle barn is lined with 2x8 pine tongue and groove boards. On each stall front, welded steel and powder-coated grills ensure safety and good looks. Stall doors easily slide on overhead tracks with nylon rollers. The Dutch doors are a very popular option and may be secured either fully opened or just open at the top. This gives the ability to turn out directly from the stalls or allows your horse to be secured in the stall with only the top half open for added ventilation. Chew guards come standard on the lower half of the Dutch doors for longevity. Each stall is lined with 4-foot-high kickboards made of 1-inch thick oak and topped with a powder-coated welded steel grill on each partition, or you can choose to have a solid partition. Choose between the option of a tack room that provides a clean, dry place for storage, a wash stall lined with glass board, or an open space for convenient first-floor hay or equipment storage. Some of our most popular options include gable vents that allow heat and stale air to vent, helping keep your barn comfortable. An overhang is a welcomed option to provide shelter from rain, shade from the sun, and can even help minimize mud buildup in high-traffic areas by keeping rain and snow from the door. Despite their custom look, most of these modular barns can be assembled and ready for use within a week. Perhaps best of all, you can have it your way. Your barn's layout and design can be customized to best fit your needs. You'll select from a variety of roof shingle or metal roof colors and choose your paint or stain colors. Maybe you'll add a cupola, have us install custom grills or doors. The list is almost endless when it comes to options. We invite your call for more detailed information. But there's much more to our low-profile barn than colors and options. There's quality. We work hard to provide the very best products in the business, and it shows in our quality. In fact, we're so confident of our quality that we back every one of our barns with a 5-year, top-to-bottom warranty. Now there's real peace of mind. Your dream barn can be a reality, and we can even help with financing. The low-profile horse barn by Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary quality, and amazing value.